We are all experiencing challenges with face-to-face sales presentations, so we're implementing other alternatives of communication beyond a simple phone call. Recently, the Nanaimo News Bulletin used Zoom conferencing to present the business continuity plan to a group of business leaders and successfully close some business. Zoom is free of charge, 40 minutes per meeting. Present within a 30-minute time frame, then allow a few minutes for questions. Log into your account, review the menu bar on the left, click Meetings. See the menu bar at top with upcoming meetings and previous meetings. Next, click Schedule a Meeting. Enter the name of your meeting. In this case, we're going to use the words Test Meeting. If you require greater description, you can add more details. Next, go to the date and select a date from the calendar and subsequently a time for the meeting. You will see with a free account, it automatically limits the meeting to 40 minutes. In the video example, it displays 1 hour as it is a paid account. Next, you do not need to worry about setting recurring meetings or registration. Your personal meeting ID is tied to your account, so no need to set a password either. Skip the next 2 lines of host and participant. You should change the call-in and access number as it is a preset to the US. Click Edit, select Canada, and then delete the US, leaving Canada only, and hit Save. Next, you will see on the screen a summary of your planned meeting. When you are ready to invite attendees, simply use the Copy the Invite button or link and you'll see all of the call details to send out. Just copy meeting invite and then send an email with those directions to your attendees. When you are logging in and out, you will need to check the My Meetings tab. This provides a summary of all scheduled meetings. Here you can see the test meeting we have just set up. Commence your meeting by clicking on the Start button. This will open a new window to download the Zoom software. You will see a new window with an option to share screen. Click that. Next, you will see an option to click Desktop 1 and Desktop 2. Should you have a laptop and a monitor with only one screen, click Desktop 1. Now click the Share button, and this will now share your screen with attendees. You will notice a green outline around the image area that you will present to attendees. You now have the opportunity to show anything you wish inside of the green image area. You can see we are visiting the Victoria News website in this example. You also have the opportunity to drag and drop your PDFs from your desktop right onto the screen, and they will automatically show within the image area. When finished, simply click out of the PDF. You can also drag another window onto the green image area and commence different presentations or show other images to your attendees. It is extremely helpful to ensure you pre-populate the tabs with the information you'll be using to save time. On the black menu bar, you'll find other options such as mute yourself. You can include your own video feed by clicking the stop or start video, and you can manage participants. On the Manage Participants bar, you can also mute all attendees if you wish. The Manage Participants window allows you to track when attendees sign in. There is also the option to create a new share window or pause the existing share should the need arise. Another option you can use by clicking the More button would be the Chat button, where you can invite attendees to communicate via text chat. When the presentation has been delivered, it is very important to follow the steps below to exit Zoom conferencing. Stop share by clicking the button. Finally, to completely close the presentation, you will need to click End Meeting. Once End Meeting has been clicked, you'll have a second window that confirms you intend to end the meeting for all. Please click this and you'll now be done. Failure to click End Meeting properly will allow attendees to potentially hear conversations post-presentation. If you need any further assistance, please reach out to the digital team.